back to Yarn Overhand. Today I'm back with a new tutorial for granny triangle. As you can see here, we can make this granny pattern even into a triangle. In the previous videos you must have seen granny square, granny rectangle and granny circles. Now we're going to try granny triangles. So let's learn how to make a triangle shape from granny square pattern. I'm going to use a lightweight 3 yarn and 4 mm hook. So similarly, like granny circle or granny square, we will first make a magic circle and insert your hook into the magic circle. Work first chain 3 for the first double crochet and 2 more double crochet. So this is pattern is very similar to our granny square or granny rectangle. It consists of 3 double crochet clusters and the chain 2 or chain 3 spaces. So since this is a triangle, we need 3 corners and these 3 sides. So unlike a granny square or granny rectangle, we are going to work chain 3 into the corners. For granny square, we make chain 2 into the corners and chain 1 onto the sides. For granny triangle, we are going to work chain 3 for each corner. So we need 3 corners and 3 sides. So we will start with our 3 double crochet clusters, chain 3, and then work another 3 double crochet, double crochet and chain 3. This is the second. Now we will work one more 3 double crochet and chain 3. So now we have 3 double crochet clusters and the chain 3 spaces. Chain 3 spaces. Now you close a circle, magic circle, and join onto the top of the chain 3 that we started with to close the triangle first row. This is our first round. We make a slip stitch, onto the top of the chain 3 space. So we have the 3 corners and 3 sides. Under the next round, we need, right now we are at the edge of our side, so we need to slip stitch until we reach the next corner. So slip stitch 3 times and chain 3. Now start with our first 3 double crochet cluster. So chain 3 and 2 double crochet. So this is the first chain 3 double crochet cluster. Now chain 3, because we are in a corner, this is corner, work another 3 double crochet because we are actually in a corner, so every corner get 2 sets of 3 double crochet clusters. So these things are very similar to granny square pattern. Now we are going to the side, so we work 2 chains instead of 1 chain, which is how we do for square granny squares. So chain 2, and now we have to go to the next corner, so we work 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet together in the corner chain 3 space. Chain 2 to get to the next corner, work 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Now to the next set, chain 2, and now we are going to close the round. We will slip stitch to the top of the first chain 3. We have completed round 2. This is how the triangle looks like right now. On to the round 3, we need to reach to the corner, so we slip stitch. We slip stitch 3 times and reach the corner. Make the chain 3 space for the first double crochet and then 2 double crochet, chain 3 because this is our first corner, again 3 double crochet, and then chain 2. Now we are on the side, work 1 set of 3 double crochet because this is a side, not a corner. Now we make another chain 2 space. Now we are at a corner, so 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Once you get the pattern, then you can keep on going how many rounds you want and make it as big as you want. These patterns can be used to make cushion covers. Now you can make many of these triangles and join them together and make shapes. This is our last corner. Chain 2, chain 2 and join onto the top of the chain 3 that we started with. So this is a repeat pattern. We can just keep on repeating the third row that we just did with all the corners has 2 sets of 3 double crochet and chain 3 space, and the sides will have 3 double crochet cluster and chain 2, 3 double crochet cluster and chain 2. I will cut the yarn now and weave in the ends. So this is our triangle. You can make it how much ever big you want by following the pattern. So this is how you make a granny triangle. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you next time with a new pattern. Thank you.